I started in Wärtsilä in service sales office in Hamburg in Germany. From there I continued in this Wärtsilä voice program where we recruit Finnish university students to Wärtsilä. From the Wärtsilä voice program I got a position here in Helsinki in the operational excellence team. Our responsibility is really about finding opportunities for improvement in different parts of our organization. It's really about making people change their habits. It's implementing a cultural change in Wärtsilä. And I think it's a very good job for anybody with the industrial engineering background. I think it was summer 2017. We were in our Bermeo offices in Spain. Our task was to improve our invoicing process and reduce the lead time there. I think during the day we were enjoying the lunch with our Spanish colleagues, eating some tapas, and at the same time we tried to find the bottlenecks in the process. And I think after the day actually we improved the lead time by 70% or reduced the lead time, so it was a success in that sense as well. And I think the biggest outcome was that now we have pretty good relationships with the Bermeo office and with our team, so I think it was a great success. It was last year. We had this issue that globally in our field services we didn't have an aligned way of working, so basically all of our locations were working a bit in a different manner. This resulted, of course, that we weren't able to automatize any of the parts of the process, and our task was basically to have everybody work in the same way. It was a lot to do about the change management, so quite often people are hesitant to change. So basically the main steps were that we provided the visibility, so we saw globally that how people are working, and then basically provided a visibility to also that how they should work, and showed the gap there. And then now we have been following up this small process improvement for a more or less a year. And now we're seeing some results that people are actually changing the habit and working in the same manner. So I think that was a good example of how you can change people's way of working globally, but it takes, of course, some time. I think I have had two very good superiors in my time in operational excellence team. I think they have been both able to build very strong trust among the team members. I think that's the main reason why we have been also able to have fun with our teammates. So I think we spend time also during the free time, so it's not only in the working environment. And I think one big thing is that both of them have allowed us to make mistakes, allowed to try things. I think I was still maybe second or third week in my Wärtsilä career in this position that they already put me to facilitate some trainings to people, and of course that shows that they are able to trust on their team members, and I think that's a big plus in our team. Yeah, I've been lucky to have one of my best student friends in the same team with me. I think it makes work a lot of fun, so I'm working also with one of my best friends, and I think we have always a sort of a competition both in work and in free time. Is it sports or some project we are working on? I think most of the time, of course, I win him, but I think that's a very good plus, and hopefully we'll be working together also in the future. I think the best part in our team is really that we have fun together, a lot of good people. We enjoy the time also in the free time. For example, we do quite a lot of sports together. So, for example, quite many mornings during the week we share the gym. And then quite often on the Fridays, for example, we share the time to play some ping pong, and I think that's a great way to start and end of the day.